At times, contour data is the only data you have available from which to build your tin surface. As a result of user requests, in BricsCAD V24, we've added the ability to create tin directly from contours, instead of treating the contours as break lines. This allows us to minimize flat areas typically created by contour data and greatly increases the accuracy of the tin surface. You have the option to add supplemental vertices to ensure that curves are maintained, or weed out vertices from over-digitized data. And you also have the option to remove outer edges. If we look at a surface that treats contour data as break lines, you can see quite easily the difference in accuracy of the tin created from the same data. But using our new contour data option, it minimizes the flat areas and makes a more accurate tin. So even if contour data isn't the most desirable data for tin surface creation, V24 makes it possible for you to create a better, more accurate, and efficient tin from it anyway.